Okay, we'll start out with tortillas. La Rosa. Then we got a rice. And we go over here to the frijoles. And we got meat. And today is January. And here's some cheese. And we got some tomatoes, olives, and onions. And oh no, that is jalapeno peppers. And some sour cream. Oh, I did. And salsa. And here's some lettuce. Lettuce alone. Shredded. Anyway, so then I have my, kind of move slow here. I have my taco here. And everything is falling. I'll try to set it up here. There we go. Here's my taco. I'm going to eat it here now, so I guess we'll say over and out.